to the arcade.
Welcome and welcome back. I'm BK, and in this episode of My Cartoon Life, we start preparing our Yaris Didi to get ready for a move. We're gonna take out the seats and we're gonna pack a whole bunch of stuff into it. Yeah. I like this place. They're very nice. They do great work. Another day, another beat up ride. So yeah, yesterday we ended up with we ended up getting new tires and the car feels great. We decided to stick with the Douglases, mainly because it's the only thing we could find at a reasonable price quickly. But yeah, so we'll give them a fair shake now. The only thing that's left to do on this car suspension wise before we get into like upgrading and stuff is we need to fix the tie rod ends, but that's not something we're gonna do today. We're pretty close to being finished on the mechanical stuff we wanted to do on the car. There's some interesting things going on with the move, and we have an opportunity to do something. So I'll talk about that a little later on. Right now, I'm gonna head to work. We're about to drive on one of my favorite roads. It's Novat. So this is Cliff Shadow and Novat is just like a really sick road. And of course, I messed my clutch up. We're gonna work on the production value of our cameras for the car, but we're just getting started, so. Look how sick this road is. And there's always a problem with everything, you know? Like my last tripod was perfect. As usual, we are scatterbrained with a lot going on, more things to do than we have time for, and with like a bunch of loose ends, and yeah. So we gotta start tying them all together. In the next few days, we're going to be packing most of our stuff into the Yaris and taking it to our new stomping grounds. I'm gonna give more information on that in the future, but for now, what I want to do is we have a bunch of scrap in our side yard and we need to recycle that. I fit a lot of stuff into this car. You want to see? Okay, so we have most of it out now. All right, I'm gonna tell you a secret. Chat, what'd you think? Why does it sound like that? What is this? What up, party people? Okay, so here's all the junk. Let's take this to the scrap yard. Lower than it, with all the extra weight. Wonder if they're gonna give me anything for it. Okay, so we earned a total of $13 or $14 from that, and so it says that it was 450 total pounds, and then they accepted 301 weight, which was $14, and it seems like it was in tin and then HMS1, which I thought there would be steel here and aluminum, but I don't know, maybe there's a way we can sort it ourselves to make more money on it. I'm not sure, but yeah, it was interesting. Okay, enough of the cleaning. We're gonna get some food first, but after, it's time to take you apart. So they wouldn't take these parts for whatever reason. And yeah, plan now is, because we're going to be moving, we're probably gonna take the seat out temporarily and then have to put it back in, but the rest of this is just going away. Okay, so there is a decent amount more room, and we're gonna go ahead and also pull out the seat. It's the fuel pump. We get that Dish Works. Let's go. For the turbo. Where are we gonna get a turbo? There's a turbo with that. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hey, I'm about to take the seat out, and then I realized, like, There's plugs and stuff under here. I should disconnect the battery. Last night we took out the back seat and the front seat so we can get DD, our 2007 Toyota Yaris, ready to be capable of carrying all of our stuff so we can take it to our next destination. We got a storage unit, and tomorrow we're going to be going up there. Room in here now, so much room for activities. All right, I do have to go to work today, so but I want to accomplish something on the car. We need to like keep progressing towards it. We have what's left to do mechanically is the tie rod ends need to be replaced. We have those. We just need dust boots, which we haven't purchased, so that's gonna probably happen in a week. See it? Okay, so we got that off. Our coilovers look so cool. Hey. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and I guess we don't have anything to sand this with, really. So I guess we're just gonna leave it like that. It's part of the aesthetic. Okay, so I decided to go with this dark green matte color because we're gonna be putting LEDs and things like that on the car, and I think a matte dark color will help like the lights pop more. So that's what we're doing. Also, we're using a like shiny gold color for our subscribers' names, and again, the shiny against the matte, I think we'll let it pop. Okay, I mean, it's coming out. We'll hit it again once it dries. In the meantime, let's fix this thing. Just dropped a bead of super glue on there, and now it's covered in Gigi's hair. Oh dang, it's a pretty color. It's real cool. I guess we should hit it again. Yeah, you see it's all droopy. Maybe we'll get good at this someday. Right there, it's super droopy. It's okay. I'm gonna let it dry a little longer, and then we're gonna hit it one more time, I think, and let it just send it after that. I've been waiting for everything to dry, and this amber neck is cool, but the battery's kind of sus. You know, it doesn't work with the wall charger. It only works with a 5-volt like USB charger, it seems, or the battery's just shot on it. But it's a cutie. Reaver was also licking himself over here. He gave her room to lay down, but she decided she wanted to be here. Yeah, see, we just kind of used this to wedge it in, and then it slipped in really well. And now we should have enough room to get that in. Working with what we have. So we still have a gap here, and I didn't end up using zip ties on top. I found like a screw that was going into the plastic, and that seems to work well. So it's good enough for now. It looks cool or whatever. We're gonna go ahead now and write our new subscribers' names on the one Gator Nation. Victoria Press, Fabi L, Becky Crane, Walter Chufcha. If you've spent any time with me, watched any of my videos, I greatly appreciate it. It means the world to me. I hope that I've also been able to provide you with some kind of value. Subscribing lets me know and YouTube know that you believe in the channel and me. And also, if you subscribe, we'll put your name on the Yaris. Hey, we have a blinker now, and this thing's on. Cool. Let's head to work. We're gonna hit 218 soon. Okay, we're back from our adventures of driving, and now we need to get all of this in this.